Dear friend, I am going to make 5 sketch drawing in SolidWorks today. You can see this first sketch and second sketch. Everyone share and like and subscribe our YouTube channel and follow full video watching and 5 sketch draw. If you want to learn SolidWorks, you can join online or offline as you wish. There have our WhatsApp number. You can contact this number. Our WhatsApp number +8801580938 Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical 2D sketch in SolidWorks. We learn it. Now I am going to sketch tools. Now draw the center line from origin. Draw center line from origin and again draw center line from origin. Now another draw center line from origin vertically. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. This line, this center line and this center line between 35 degree. Okay. Now go to circle. To circle draw here. Now go to smart dimension. This circle dimension 50 and this circle dimension 35. Okay, select. Now go to again draw circle. Keep the circle below 35. Now this point and this circle point parallelly dimension 70. Okay, select. Now go to draw the polygon from this circle origin and select. Now this line midpoint control this center line coincident. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. This point and this point distance 20. Select. Now go to circle. Now draw here to circle. Now go to smart dimension 30. And this circle dimension 20. Now this point and this point distance 80. Okay, select. Now go to 3-point arc. Now this circle select and this circle select. Now this arc control this circle tangent. And this arc control this circle tangent. Now go to smart dimension, this arc below 50. Okay, select. Now go to mirror this arc, select and about this center line. Okay. Now go to again draw arc, this circle and this circle. Select. Now these are control this circle tangent. These are control this circle tangent. Now go to smart dimension. Now give the value this are 166. Okay. Select. Now go to mirror. Select this R about this center line. Okay. Make our job. Now I am going to again another job. Go to new file. Or now here save. Now I am going to save here desktop. Job number one. Save. Okay. One. Now I am going to delete this job. Okay. Now I am going to again another job draw here. Now go to circle. Now here to circle draw. Now go to smart dimension. This circle dimension 46 and this circle dimension 26. Okay, select. Now go to draw center line from origin, vertical center line draw. Now again another center line draw. Select. Now go to smart dimension. This center line and this center line between 30. Select. Now go to slot, 3-point arc slot draw here. This center line and this center line select. Okay. Now this point control origin point coincident. Now go to smart dimension. These are radius 8. Okay. Select. Just move here. Now go to center point arc. Center point arc select. This point and this point select. Make center arc. Now go to smart dimension. These are dimension 130. Okay, select. Now just move here and here. Select. Now go to mirror this center line about this center line. Mirror. Just move. Okay. Now go to again 3 point arc. This point select and this point and this point select. Now go to smart dimension. These are below 8, 16. These are below 16. Okay. Okay. Now go to draw the line here. Vertical line. Now go to smart dimension. This line and this center line between 9. Select. Now, now here make arc. Select. Now go to smart dimension. This arc below 5. Select. This arc control this circle tangent. Now make arc here. Select. These are control, these are tangent. Now go to here, arc radius 10. Select. Okay. Now go to mirror and select this arc, this line and this arc. Now go to mirror about, select this center line. Okay. Now go to trim, cut here, okay, and here. Now go to haircut, okay, select. Now just move here. These are control, these are tangent. Okay. Now just here. These are control, these are tangent. These are control, these are tangent. Okay. Make our job. To line distance 18. Okay. Now go to draw circle here. Give the value circle 20. Okay. Make our job. Now I am going to save this file. Now select here job number 2. Okay. Now I am going to again file and select new and select part and select OK. Delete this file. Now again go to circle, draw from origin to circle draw. Now go to smart dimension. I am going to add 3 circle draw. Now go to smart dimension. Now this circle dimension 18. Now this circle dimension 34 and this circle dimension 48. Okay, select. Now go to draw the slot here, straight slot, two slot, two slot draw. Now go to smart dimension. These are radius 14 and these are radius 8. Okay. Now this line dimension 62 and this point distance 48. Okay. Select. Now go to line, draw here, make center line. Now draw again line, here select, make center line. Now go to smart dimension, this center line and this center line between 55. Okay, select. Now go to draw again center line. Now go to smart dimension, this center line and this center line between 35. Select. Now go to 3-point arc slot. Now here and here select. Select. Control Z. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. Give the this center line below. Center line or this arc below. Arc below 57. Select. Control Z have a problem. Delete. I am going to just move here. Now I am going to type 57 problem. This problem. Select. Control Z. Now I am going to here again draw. You cannot select any relation. Just draw smoothly. Now go to smart dimension and give the value 57. Okay. Now just move here. Arc point move here. Now go to smart dimension and give the value. These are below 5. Okay, select. Now I again draw a slot. This point this point and this point select. Now go to smart dimension. These are below 12. Okay, select. Okay. Now go to arc. Now select 3-point arc. Select here and here. Okay. Now these are control this circle tangent. These are control. These are tangent. Now go to smart dimension. These are dimension 7.5. Now here is problem. Now here delete again. Now go to again 3-point arc, select and here select. These are control, these are tangent, and these are control, these are tangent. Now give the value here 15, 12.5. Okay, select. Now go to again draw arc. This arc and this arc select. These are control, these are tangent. These are control, these are tangent. Now go to smart dimension. These are below 8. Now same problem here. Now delete these are. Just move problem. Okay. This one and this one connect. Okay. Now go to draw line. This point and midpoint select. Midpoint or you can give the value or line below. Select here and here. This point and central point below 84. Select. Now this line control, these are tangent. Okay. Now this point and move line here, this circle. Now go to 3-point arc, this circle and this line select. These are control this line tangent. These are control this circle tangent. Now go to smart dimension value here 8. Select. Okay. Now go to trim and cut here this line, extra line, this circle, extra, cut here, here. Okay. Select. Now make our job. Now I am going to save this job 3. Okay. Now again delete this job. Now make new job. Now go to circle. Now origin to circle draw. Now go to smart dimension. This circle dimension 24 and this circle dimension 12. Okay. Select. Now go to draw center line from origin. Select. Now draw again center line from midpoint. Select. Now draw center line. Select. Okay. Now go to smart dimension. This center line and this center line between 120. Enter. Now I am going to this center line horizontal. Horizontal. Now go to circle draw here. To circle draw. Go to smart dimension. This circle dimension 26 and this circle dimension 13. Select. Now go to this point and this point. Distance parallelly 50. Select. Now go to 3-point R. 3-point R draw here. This circle and this circle. Go to this R control this circle. Tangent. This R control this circle. Tangent. Now go to this R dimension radius 80. Okay, select. Now go to draw line here. Make arc here. Select. Now go to 3-point R. Select. This line control this R tangent. This R control this circle tangent. Now go to smart dimension. This point and this line distance 57 and this line dimension 6 and this line below 24. Okay, select. Now this point control this point horizontal. Okay. Now this line below 22. Okay. Now these are below 45. Okay. Select. Now this point control this point vertical. Okay. Job number 4. Now I am going to say 4. Okay. Now you can here cut trim this. Now go to trim, select. Now I am going to here use arc, select. These are control, these are tangent. These are control, these are tangent. Now go to smart dimension. These are below 20. Control Z. This point control center line coincident. Just move here. Just move. This point control, this point coincident. Okay. Now these are below 20 possible. Okay. Make our job number 4. Save as. Now here 4. Again yes. Okay. Now I am going to delete this job. Now I am going to job number 5. Now go to draw circle from origin. 5 circle draw from origin. 4 and 5. Now go to smart dimension. Now this circle dimension 150. Now this circle dimension 140. Now I am going to this circle dimension 100 and this circle dimension 90 and this circle dimension 70. Okay, select. Now go to draw circle horizontally origin. This point control this point horizontal. This circle control this circle tangent. Okay. Now go to circular pattern. Now just select this circle. Now give the value number of 10. Okay, select. Okay, make our job. Now I am going to save job number 5. Okay, select. Dear friend, today five job we are learning. Next day I am going to show again 5 drawing. Thank you all everyone share and like. If have any ask you can write comment box. You can join our online class anytime. Our offline class you can join. Our online class one to one. Our offline class base system. You can join 2 days online, 1 day offline. Anywhere in the world. Thank you all.